Never
Reminiscing about the
thought I
past,
would
back in the day when you
be
and I were
loving
one. Nothing in the world could cover up the
but you
sun. Looking up into the
stole in my
stars
heart,
and wondering who
turned
we
my
are. I'm
world
living in the
upside
past, looking out for a
Never
glimpse of you.
thought
Searching
I
high
would
and low
love
and asking
once
why and how. The best thing in my life had to go,
I
and
am
wow, I'm left
finally
alone with an
happy
incurable
when
condition
it's
for the last
just
5
you
years.
and me.
It's my song
I'll be
rendition.
there whenever you call, no matter wherever you are. I am the right girl for you. Let's let love do what it do. There's a place for us to grow close, closer to our heart's devotion. Oh boy, I will be there for you.
14 years back, when I was just a kid, I knew this young girl, initials SJ, fresh in the scene, looking for a break. Took her under my wing, her heart to take. I misused the trust that had been given to me. A young man insecure and unable to see her love to me was really genuine. I guess it's just one of those things in time. Let me break it down with another kind of rhyme for you fellas out there looking for a good time. Just move to the groove, let your body do the rest. Shake it to the left and no, this ain't no test. Relax, who cares? Ain't nobody talking smack. Can we all get along? Just give a bit of slack. Cause life's too short to throw it all away. So get on the go on this player's holiday. I remember back in the days when I was young in the car, cruising down Devonshire towards a double left bar. At the stoplight on Balboa Boulevard, to my right a rice rockin', revving me and pulling hard. I pop it in the first and revving back, good to go. The light turns green, pop the clutch and hammer throw. 8200 hitting red in the two. Hit the nozzle, say goodbye, and I'll see you in my rear view. On the day that I was scorned, the way my heart was torn, I never would have thought that I could get myself to mourn for the loss of a loved one, gain of another. I see a new light and feel the love of a brother. Homies for life, we called it fool like a fool, only to discover that there's no real jewel. So what am I to do with the no-win situation at hand? I guess it's time for me to rough reminiscing about the past.
No
back in the day when
one
you
can
and I
take
were
your
one.
place.
Nothing in the world
You're
could cover up the
brighten
sun.
up my
Looking
life.
up into
You're
the stars and wondering who we are. I'm living in the past, looking out for a glimpse of you. Searching high